Oh, hello everyone. I took a few days off. Had to work on my pickup truck. Coil pack went out, and since it had 100,000 miles on it, I decided to put spark plugs in it, which is quite a chore on a 2001 F-150 with the V8. But I got it done. So here I am, going to try to get this reinforcement structure for the deck lid fitting things a little better. It was also sprung and bent when the rear collision happened, which bent up all the other components back there. Now that I've pulled them out, it's still sort of pushed in. This is just sort of a trial and error, trying not to get carried away and overbend. Putting the hold down screws in and trying to get the bottom lip to line up with the rear body panel. Just using the old Armstrong method here. I did quite a bit of pre-fitting that I could on the deck lid panel itself, and it was showing that this bracket was reasonably deformed. I ended up having to take the lower reinforcement off and reshape it a fair amount also. After bending some of it, some I had to undo and some I had to do more. But it's all part of the process. I had been holding off folding the lip over on the bottom of the deck lid, but I've reached a point where it was causing more aggravation because it wouldn't slip over this weather strip than what I was afraid of getting it in there and at the wrong time. So I gave everything best guess, and now I've got a dolly underneath and using my body hammer to fold it over. This not only folds it over, it also smooths out some of the kinks and bumps that was along that bottom lip from putting the bends in it that I did during previous videos. And I've got the lip mostly formed over. Got down here a little closer to my work and actually punching out the lip itself, trying to keep it all nice and smooth. You kind of watch it as you hammer over and you can see it kind of come into shape. And that's pretty much it for this video. I get this hammered in here. I'll get the inner structure put back in and bolted up loosely. And then I'll start fitting it into the opening that we've left for it. I'm sure that'll be a bit of a challenge in itself. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in part 2.